Welcome back to Thursday Night Racing. This is the 2020 Hot Rods Club Championship. Let's look at the program for tonight. First up, we have the current club champion. This is Nero 62 in the 32 Ford. He came off a sensational win against Mark D of CRC Racing in the Neat Streeter. Can he do the double tonight and hold on to the crown? And next up, we have a seasoned professional who has raced many times here on Mount Western Raceway. This is Thailand-based TuneTrax Racing driving the mighty Mod Rod. Has he got the will, the guts and the power to take on Nero 62 in the 32 Ford? Stay tuned.
Race 1. TuneTrax Racing in the Mod Rod. Oh, that was a big hit.
That was a big hit, and this is only race 1. There you go. TuneTrax Racing in the Mod Rod gets his first win in tonight's event.
Race 2. That's a DNF. Let's go again. Can someone call a medic and 2 tow trucks? All drivers and cars back to the start gate. All drivers and cars back to the start gate, please. Race 3. Winner! Nero 62 in the 32 Ford. These guys are going hard.
All tied up out of race 3. I can feel the tension on the track here tonight.
Race 4. Winner! Nero 62 in the 32 Ford. Oh, that was a big hit. Almost cleaned up the mechanic. Is he alright?
I think these guys should have joined Junkyard Wars. These guys are full on. Nero 62 with his second win.
Race 5. Winner! TuneTrax Racing in the Mod Rod. Oh, another slam dunk.
Well, I've seen some heavy competition here in Mount Western Raceway, but tonight takes the cake. All tied up out of race 5.
It's TuneTrax Racing in the Mod Rod. Oh, another big hit. You guys are crazy.
They are crazy, and there were some heavy hits in tonight's program. Well, TuneTrax Racing, he gets his first club championship win in the 2020 season with a 3-2 win over Nero 62. Let's look at the overall standings. So Mark D of CRC Racing is right out front with 2 wins, and the rest of the pack, 1 win each. Let's wrap it up. This is top of race 1. I'm actually surprised that the Mod Rod won tonight, but anyway, he has the pace, he has the goods. Look at him come out of turn 1. He leaves the 32 Ford for dead. Nice line out of turn 2. Takes the inside and crosses the line for his first win. And check out this hit by Nero 62. Wow, just sideswipes him and spins him 180. This is down the back, out of race 3. You can see Nero here, he goes out front hard, hits that sidewall and spins around. I thought he would have lost pace, but no, he's just kept going, he's floored it. Takes the bottom line, uses all the track he can, puts the pedal to the floor and crosses the line for his first win. Check this hit out, bang! These guys are at it, aren't they? This is the top of race 4, pretty even right up the top. Little manoeuvre here by the 32 Ford, goes on 2 wheels, crazy. Beautiful line out of turn 1. That's where you can win and lose a race right there. But it's the 32 Ford all the way. He's got the power to win this whole competition. I'm just not too sure what happened tonight. And check this hit out, whack! Wow, almost took out that mechanic. That was unbelievable. This reminds me of the old Impala back in one of the races in the early days. He had the power and he was just vicious around the track. But these two guys, they're just at it tonight. This is an interesting race. This is race 5. The 32 Ford goes out hard. Watch the mod rod. He just waits for the opportunity, puts his foot to the floor and leaves the 32 behind. You can see the 32 Ford has picked up some late speed, but he just can't overtake the mod rod. Another nice win by TuneTrax Racing in the mod rod. And another big hit here, look at that, off the track. Nero 62 and the 32 Ford, they're not happy. This is race 6 and this really showcases the car and driver's skills here. Look at the mod rod, he just hangs back, he just takes that inside, floors it, hits the side a bit. I thought, oh, maybe he was gone. Nice line out of turn 2, you can see the finish line and he takes tonight's club championship. TuneTrax Racing and the mod rod take out tonight's championship. With only one win though, can he hold on and make it to catch Mark D from CRC Racing? Next Monday night, right here on Mount Western Raceway in the Hot Rod Series, Hot Car Track returns in the mighty military Jeep. Has he got the power to take on TuneTrax Racing? Thanks for watching. Catch you later.